in hybrid vehicle because the hybrid electric vehicle is non-polluted. That means in which pollution is not occur in this vehicle. Okay. Then also in which we have to need the concept of plug-in hybrid vehicle in unit number 2. Also PHV electric vehicles is better than battery electric vehicle because also in plug-in hybrid vehicle battery always present, but in which the exact capacity and working capacity of the plug-in hybrid vehicle is better than battery electric vehicles. Then architecture, then conclusion, future scope and references. These are the important points in concept of plug-in vehicles. Now, what is the concept of vehicles? That means vehicle, a thing used for transporting people or goods. That means the concept of vehicle transfer people one place to another place with the help of electrical energy and mechanical energy. Also transfer one land to another land. For example, the examples of vehicle is car, then bike, then lorry and cart. These are the examples of vehicle. For example, these are the important examples of vehicles like car, then motorbike, then aeroplane bike, and last one is the bicycle. These are the examples of vehicles because vehicles is very important concept in electric vehicles. Also in which we have to need exact concept of vehicles. These are the examples of vehicle system. Okay. Then also in which these are the types of vehicles. Okay. Then in which the first type is liquid petroleum. That means these are the petrol vehicles. Then these are the diesel vehicles, and this is the hydrogen vehicles. Okay. Now these are the important types of the vehicle. That means there are three types of the vehicles. That is petroleum vehicles, diesel vehicle, and hydrogen vehicle. Okay. Then also the liquid petroleum in the form of gasoline. That means liquid petroleum is converted into gasoline. Also diesel converted into compressed natural gas, and hydrogen vehicle can be operated with the help of biodiesel. These are the three types of the vehicles. Also the natural gas, ethanol is used for prepare diesel in the form of compressed natural gas. These are the types of vehicles depends on liquid petroleum, diesel and hydrogen petroleum. Okay. Now the concept of electric vehicles. Okay. The concept of electric vehicle is referred electric drive vehicles, and these electric vehicles transfer from one place to another place with the help of electrical energy. Okay, that means transfer from electrical energy, and this electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. This is the concept of electric vehicles. Okay, that means electric vehicle is referred to an electric drive vehicles. Okay, that means this is the electrical drive. That means electric vehicle acts as an electrical drive, and in which we have to require electricity. Okay. Then in unit number 2, smart grid technology, we have to need the types of electric vehicles. Then there are three types of the vehicles. Then first type is hybrid electric vehicles, then plug-in hybrid vehicles, that is PHV, that is these are the second type. Okay. Then battery vehicles, next type is battery vehicles, and this is the hybrid vehicles. That means these are the three types of the electric vehicles. Then concept of hybrid electric vehicles. Then hybrid electric vehicles in which need two energy sources for internal combustion of the energy. Okay. Hybrid electric vehicles require two energy sources for internal combustion of the engine. Okay. And also in which electric battery is connected to motor and generator. Okay. And these are the concept of electrical vehicles. Then in which we have need battery system, then require electric motor and gas engine. Then battery pack capture energy normally in the form of DC. Then electric motor. Then this battery supply electricity to electric motor, and this electrical motor convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Also in which we have to need electric motor require power, and also in which we have to use gas engine, and this gas engine assist the exact working of the hybrid electric vehicle. That means in which the gas engine exhaust gases, and these gases are not required at the time of internal combustion of the engine. Okay. And also in which we have to need some concept of DC motor, and DC motor is very important part of the hybrid electric vehicles, and this motor can be operated with the help of battery. Also in electric motor we have to use parallel gas engine. Okay. But that means in hybrid vehicle we have to use gas. This is the hybrid and this is the electric vehicle. That means the hybrid electric vehicle is the combination of electric motor and gas engine. Okay. Now this is the concept of hybrid electric vehicles. Okay. Now there are two types of the hybrid electric vehicles. The first type is parallel hybrid electric vehicles. Then series hybrid electric vehicles, and this is the parallel hybrid electric vehicles. Then in parallel hybrid electric vehicles in which electric motor present, also in series hybrid electric vehicles electric motor present, then also battery is present, okay. Then also reservoir present in both, also reservoir present. Then internal combustion always present in both. Okay. Now this is the exact concept of parallel hybrid electric vehicles, and in parallel hybrid vehicles electric motor is connected parallel to the engine, and this concept is called as parallel hybrid electric vehicles. But in series hybrid vehicles the internal combustion engine IC engine and electric motor are connected in series, and in which electric motor and internal combustion engine, that is IC engine, connected in parallel, and this is the concept of parallel hybrid electric vehicles and serial hybrid electric vehicle, and these are the concept of hybrid topology. Okay, and these are the examples of vehicles. That is this is the this is a Toyota company, then this is Honda, and this is a Ford, then Saturn and KV. These are the examples of hybrid electric vehicles. Also, in this we have to need concept of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. And in plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, in which we have to use rechargeable batteries, and these rechargeable batteries are stored energy in the form of DC. Then also in plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, we have to need the concept of plug-in, and also in plug-in hybrid electric vehicles also we have to also use external source of electric power supply with the help of socket or plug, and this concept is known as plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, that is called as PHEV, and this is the concept of PHEV, and this is the charging system. This is the AC charge level system, and this is the AC level 2 charge system, and this is the DC fast charging. That means in plug-in hybrid vehicle we have to use DC battery. Okay. Now this is the exact concept of PHEV, that is plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. And this is the architecture of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. And this is the charging socket. Then this is the charger adapter, that is convert AC to DC. Okay. It's convert supply into DC. Okay. Then also in which this is the lightweight material used in plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and this is the power electronic device, that is intelligent electronic device, that is IED. These are the using power electronic device. Also use electrical motor, then also require IC engine. Okay, and also require for ventilation use radiator. Okay, now this is the architecture of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Also in which we have to need fuel storage. That means also in this is the battery storage system, plus in which also use fuel. When for a after some time the fault occur in battery, okay, that battery occur discharging problem. At that instant we have to need fuel storage. That means if is not working, then vehicles operate in fuel, and when fuel storage is not operate, then battery charging get operated and easily. That means the main function of plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is, that means this is the parallel system, and parallel two sources using plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Then first is battery, that is primary, and fuel storage is secondary. When primary get faulty, then secondary can operate it. Then secondary get faulty, then primary get operated. And this is the concept of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. And this is the sum current plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Now this is the first plug-in hybrid electric vehicles developed in 2013. Okay. that is Chevrolet Volt, then 2014 Force and 2013 Toyota. These are the three plug-in hybrid electric vehicles developed in 2013 and 14. And this is the concept of battery electric vehicle system, and in which this is the AC supply, and this AC supply can be converted into DC supply with the help of converter. Okay, and this AC supplies go to the battery, then battery get charging and discharging, and this electric supply is given to the DC supply is given to the electric motor, and total vehicles can be operated with the help of battery charging system. And this is the concept of electric vehicles. Okay. And difference between electric vehicles. Okay, the first type is hybrid electric vehicles. It is called as HEV. Then plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, that is PHV. Then battery electric vehicle system, that is BEV. And this is the exact construction of the hybrid electric vehicles. Also similar, PHV, then BEV, that is battery electric vehicle system, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle system, and this is the normal hybrid electric vehicle system, and in which use both electric motor and internal combustion engine, that is in which we have to use electric motor plus IC engine, and in which this electricity generated on the car through with the help of regenerative braking of the IC engine. Also in which both use, that is electric motor use and also IC engine use. Okay, and in which uses a combination of grid electricity, that means in which we have to use hybrid grid electricity, also in which we have to use regenerative energy sources. Okay, then also we have to need battery electric vehicle system, and already we have to explain in previous slide the concept of battery electric vehicle system. That means in which we have to not use IC engine in battery electric vehicle system. Now this is the difference between electric vehicles with the help of hybrid electric vehicles, then plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and last type is battery electric vehicle system. Then, and this is the working of electric vehicles. Okay, then in working of electric vehicle system, in which we have to need, for example, this is the concept of electric vehicles, and this is the conventional electric vehicles, and this conventional electric vehicles can be operated with the help of IC engine. Okay, and this IC engine transport energy to the drive shaft, and that means this is the exact working of electric vehicles with the help of IC engine. Okay, then second type is plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and this is the parallel power flow. Okay, and now this is the example of Toyota Prius. That is, this is the electric car Toyota Prius. Then in which we have need battery, electric motor, then combustion engine, then require clutch. That means in which we have to operate plug-in hybrid vehicles with the help of combustion engine. That means this is require IC engine and also use battery. That means there are two sources. That is, the first source is IC engine and second one is battery, and both can be operated with the help of parallel system. And then drive shaft, transmission and wheels. Now this is the concept of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles with the help of parallel power flow of the energy. Then third type is plug-in hybrid electric series power. That is example is Chevrolet Volt, and in which require internal combustion engine, then electrical generator, battery, electric motor, transmission and wheel. That means this is the series wheel. Okay. Then also last type is battery electric vehicles. That means which we have to single energy storage system, that is battery, and this battery convert AC supply to DC due to the electric motor, and this electric motor supply energy to wheel, and this is the concept of battery electric vehicles. Then advantages of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles is less greenhouse gases occur, then require less petroleum, less air pollution, low noise and maximum efficiency. And these are the advantages of the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle system, that is PHV. Okay. Now this is the advantages of the PHV. Also in which we have to need main point is conclusion. Then in hybrid electric vehicles, in which new technical problems occur, then new technical problems can be avoided with the help of parallel energy sources. And also the main future advantages of this plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, in which occur less noise and less pollution, and also in which we have to use the vehicle to grid technology, and vehicle to grid technology is most popular technology used in plug-in hybrid electric vehicles and hybrid electric vehicle. And now this is the exact conclusion of the plug-in hybrid vehicle. That means this is the large scale energy load. Now this is the concept of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles.